welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today is another vlog, but the difference is today is day one of my clinical integration, which I am thinking of starting. And I have to it's something new, so I have to go through and understand how it's going to be, because I always scared that if I start any integrating video stuff and all that, I might end up continuing the same system and not go to the next one. But I'm doing it today. So today with the vlog, I'm also streaming, so you will find me. So for the first session, I already did my all the flashcards, but now after that what I did is I sort through all the subjects and found out some of the topics which I want to add into the CVS system, because today is CVS. So this is how I actually made all of it. So I have a few topics from anatomy, physiology, pathology, pharmacology, peds, medicine, surgery, gynec, anesthesia. And while doing so, I realized that a few of the subjects like ENT of the were so not integrated in any of the systems. So I have to now find out another day, while doing these systems, if I complete it early, I'll be adding these some of the subjects into those days. So let's try it. So stream is all set. Okay, it's session 2 and I did some custom modules. I don't know what happens every time I do a custom module of about 100. The score is always the same, whatever is it, even if I do a system a subject wise, or if I do the whole, or if I do, it's the same always. So anyway, so for this I did the custom module. I still have 30 minutes for the session left. I'm gonna review them and start with embryology from anatomy. Well, it's 2 o'clock. We did all the 4 sessions in the morning. I completed the physiology and anatomy part, and it does feel good. I have did the anatomy first and then identified all these physiology part. Now for the next thing, I am thinking of doing medicine and pediatrics, so I can just complete the whole congenital conditions and also the normal ones. So well, it's 2 o'clock and we have completed all the 4 sessions. I did the anatomy and also the physiology part of CVS, and it does feel good. I mean, it's something new for me. I always do the subject wise, but doing the anatomy followed by physiology of the same system, it does keep everything at one place. So for the next part, it's a lunch break now, so I'm gonna have lunch till 3 and I'll start again. I think I will be doing medicine and pediatrics together after this session. It's 4:50 and suddenly my laptop died, and I was making tea then and I didn't see that, and when I saw the laptop was shut down, and I thought, okay, fine. I was longing to stop it since long, but I couldn't. So since my laptop stopped, let's just stop it. I know I thought of doing it for the whole day, but you see, it's really going to be tough for me to sit down for all the hours, since I wasn't doing that for a long time. A lot of disturbances today. So anyway, since I got time now, I'm gonna take a 15 to 20 minutes or up to till 5:30, and I actually completed the pathology. I still have pharmacology to do. I thought of doing medicine too today, but since I have given 3 days for CVS, I think I can use it tomorrow for that and add another subject for day after tomorrow. So basically, it's going well. It feels really good, but not something really different from what I usually do. Anyway, so let's see what happens. So actually the vlog is supposed to be for a 1 day, but I thought my CVS integration didn't end yesterday, and today I will have still pharma, medicine, pediatrics and a short bits of radiology to complete. So I thought why not to make it a 2 days, so a total of CVS integration vlog. So it's already 7:50 and the stream will be starting just now. I just want to make sure it doesn't end abruptly like yesterday. But anyway, I'm gonna read for a few minutes, and because that's something I told myself that I'll definitely do. And then I'll start with pharmacology. This time I'm thinking of not doing the Anki cards first. I'll do pharmacology first, then do the Anki cards, and then go with the medicine. So it's 11 o'clock, and actually the thing is, today I'm really confused of whether I would continue reading afternoon or not, because there are some things which caught up to me. I have to go out, but I'm not sure if I'm going out. So for now, for the next session, I'll be completing the rest of the medicine. CVS is like really vast, and doing that for like 2 continuous days, it just feels so monotonous to me already. But anyway, I'll be completing the rest of the medicine and then surgery before 1 o'clock, so that I have like few of those radiology and a few of the parts which might take like more than 1 hour or so, and I can complete that. And there's no power. I don't know if my if this will come for 1 more hour. If the power won't come, then I have to end it no matter what. So let's just see what happens again. Well, it's 1 o'clock and I did complete like 70% of the CVS in medicine. I have one more topic to do, the ECG topic, and well, that's something really tough for every one of us, so I have to like concentrate more. So I'm gonna do it after lunch. Meanwhile, I got 2 of those cactus. My friend bought them for me, so I'll just show you those. Just look at them, how beautiful they are. So the next thing is I have to find out what are they called. And there were few of those these tiny buds which I actually planted in other cactus. Good morning people, it's day 3 of CVS integration, and the biggest thing I realized is that the greatest mistake I did for this integration thing is that I divided them according to systems for about 3 days or 2 days, but I didn't divide them according to subjects, and maybe that's the reason I couldn't finish it. I thought I could be doing it in 2 days, but I couldn't. But well, no problem. I'll be dividing the rest of the systems today, and I'll be completing the CVS integration today. While everything was happening, we just got the news that INICET is going to be on 22nd July. So there's 2 thoughts now. One is we can still think that this is gonna be postponed again because there is expected to be another wave in August or September. And 2 is because we are all thinking that this might get postponed, the exam might actually happen, and anything can happen. But what am I doing? So I actually made my schedule for 14th of July, so I just get another 7 days or 8 days until the exam. So I'm just going with the schedule and not change anything else. So morning I told you that I'm gonna have to add the subjects to every systemic integrations. So I'll be doing that. I did the stream from up to 1 o'clock from morning 8, and we'll be doing another one from 5 to 10, so that would be easier to do. I am reading book and it's almost like 4:30. We'll be starting like in 20 minutes. Well, that's it for today, guys. I don't know how this went, but this is the 3 days of CVS integration, and successfully I did complete it. I did do a custom module, and as usual, the score is the same. It isn't going more, but I have found that I was making mistakes right while reading the questions. I have to think more about it. So from tomorrow for the next 3 days, it's CNS integration, and I'm not sure, but if I feel like, then I'll be making another vlog while I'm doing the CNS integration. But I think I will make it something different. So till next time, have a great day, guys. Bye bye, take care.